Hello. Was actually in the chat neu ddim ond fatha ar y far os di rwy'n gallu deitha fi fod y sain yn iawn sy'n yn ideal. Codi yn bach yna cerddoriaeth. Yep, so yeah, dwi eisiau mynd i chwarae hwn, laid back. Mae'n teimlo bod yn ffynnu. Yn twyn. Dwi'n rhoi di chwarae y remake, di chwarae ar greiddiol. So, beth dwi'n neud yn barod ydy'r bit o'ch ti'n cael y demo. So da ni wedi chwythu fyny'r y lle. So let's yeah, just go beth sy'n digwydd. Let's go. Os dwi'n rhywun yn y chat, os ydych chi'n dweud fod y sign yn iawn. Dwi byth yn gwybod beth i wneud efo'r byth yn gwybod beth i wneud efo'r gameplay audio a fi. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n good spot o yma. Ond beth i audio?
We'll split up and shoot for the last train home. Regroup in the freight car. Got it?
Later then.
Hey, I'd like my money now.
You can have it once we're back at base.
I don't need to tell you what this is, right?
Of course not. It's healing materia.
You can have it for saving my life.
Thank you.
Just doing my job. Nothing more.
Yeah. Fact is, I'm lucky you were there.
Survival can be a matter of luck or skill. And you can't rely on luck.
Words to live by.
Yeah, well, thanks.
You do know how to use it, right?
You do know what I was, right?
Begin tutorial. Set okay, so we'll with that.
Okay, I was only trying to help. Oh, before I forget, here's a little something extra for being so brave. That really was the ride of a lifetime. Well, see you on the train.
Ooh.
The trains have stopped. Are there any trains going to the slum?
The ground started shaking.
Structures in the area are at high risk of collapse, rendering the entire sector hazardous. Immediate evacuation is advised. If you observe any suspicious behavior, please inform the nearest public security officer. You may alternatively
Suspicious behavior.
Cloud! Up here! Look up! I said look up! Careful up here. This could collapse at any moment. If you want up, you'll have to use those stairs.
Multiple explosions have been
What, do we dig our way through?
Grenades.
Station's intact.
What's going on? Can be.
He couldn't be. But then...
Wel, hwnna wahanol i... Hwnna wahanol i... Greiddiol, yndi? Oh, Sephiroth ddim yn thing am ages yn y gem. Y greiddiol, lle.
The hell?
Sephiroth! Sephiroth!
Wait.
O'r holl pwynt y gem fod faint o irrelevant o'r cloud i holl thing.
You're not real. You're dead.
I am.
I killed you with my own...
Oh, you need not remind me. It was the crowning moment of our time together. But that was then, and this is now. I have a favor to ask. Our beloved planet is dying. Slowly. Silently. Painfully. Can you bear to see the planet suffer? Cloud. Were the planet to die, so many things would be lost. Your hometown burned so bright. The sound of her voice, pleading for me to spare you. The shiver of her flesh, yielding to cold steel. That which binds us together would be no more, and I would be loath to live in such a world, which is why I must ask you this one favor. Don't worry, it's a simple thing. Run, Cloud. Run away. You have to leave. You have to live.
You bastard!
Good, Cloud. Very good. Hold on to that hatred.
Sephiroth!
I'm seeing things. Fumes from all the Mako, maybe. All right. You got this.
What's going on? I don't know how I survived this long.
An evacuation order has been issued.
Oh, some first.
Climb over the debris and the station's right there.
You are advised to vacate
Dim fi efo boi sôn massive na, dwi'n gaddo.
Can't go this way.
have caused numerous ongoing fires.
Sure, we could try the alley, but is getting to the station really worth breaking our necks over?
Yes, because we won't.
I repeat,
I have to believe in Cymraeg.
this is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once.
Oh, dwi'n just llaw fi.
This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency
Damn.
Operations. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway.
Do what you like. I'm taking the kids to safety.
The station? We'll take that fire escape and put you right on the street.
Diolch, mate.
Me too.
Don't mind me and my big sword.
Don't let the intruder escape.
Security's everywhere.
Your feet, your level of in there.
You are too weak to save anyone. Not even yourself.
Are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Here, this is for you.
Huh? A flower?
That's right. It's a gift. You know, for scaring those things away.
What things?
Never mind. Think of it as a memento.
Just
Think of it as when I die
I heard that,
by the
you know.
second or third game.
how much?
Well, that depends on the customer. In your case, it's on the house.
Huh?
Lovers used to give these when they were reunited.
Only lovers, man.
Look, I'm involved in things. Dangerous things.
Dangerous women.
Sure you are. So?
So keep your distance.
Wait, you think someone's out to get you? Is that what you're all worked up about? Relax. No one's going to attack you. I promise.
Hey, a Mako reactor just blew. You shouldn't be out here trying to self...
Help me!
Dementors o Harry Potter.
What are they?
Not my problem.
Drop your weapon!
Are you blind?
You know, you're right.
Wait!
Nice meeting you.
Sword on the ground! Right now!
I'm gonna kill you.
Time to burn. That's that. Was never in doubt.
Never in doubt.
There he is! You're not going anywhere!
HQ, Sector 8 Unit 4, we have eyes on the target. We need backup. I repeat, this is
Let's go.
Can we both do it? Als ik goed verder ben, nu weet ik maar.
All clear. Show me your hands!
Let's do this. Here we go. Nothing to it.
This is an alert from the Cymraeg Emergency Operations Center. The area near the expressway is still extremely dangerous. Those in the vicinity are instructed to continue. If you need to access the train station, please take a seat and avoid the plaza near the expressway. Train services may be suspended southbound.
Hey, Cymraeg. Ond chdi sy'n gotcha iddi fel. Ti'n cael sens. Okay. Set material. C'est devenu chiant là. Oh. Okay.
Just give it up! Don't rush!
Enough!
Troopers on standby!
Fuck. Run away!
You are clear to engage! Be advised, target is headed for the station!
All good. Gotta be careful.
Enemy combatants, you are surrounded! Lay down your weapon and surrender! We're done here!
You're done. Time to get serious.
Don't let him escape! Give up!
Ground forces engaging target in Taunton Plaza. All nearby units converge and provide immediate support.
Du måste kunna se jaonen. Så.
No way out! Move in! Yeah! Sorry.
Requesting immediate reinforcement at Taunton Plaza.
See ya.
Still mobile. Support. Proceed to rally point at the station.
So much for the direct route. Find another way. Use the rooftops, maybe. The rooftops look clear.
Prompt compliance with officers' instructions is advised.
Farna.
This is an alert from the Cymraeg Emergency Operations.
Don't let him get away! No matter what! Take him down!
That's that. Need a light. Let's do this. Let's open.
Message from aerial recon. They want us to lock down the station area.
Enough. Brace yourself. See ya. I'd be better off trying my luck somewhere else.
An evacuation order has been issued to the occupancy buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires.
Our target's
Many
just one
homes
man.
are at risk.
We'll get him.
Not going to the station anytime soon.
Ah, okay.
Looks like the station's crawling with public security.
Over there! Open fire! Shoot to kill!
Yeah, back and cheer.
Close call.
quickly! Target sighted! Get him!
It's all or nothing now.
Don't underestimate him.
Calling fire. Not bad.
I see him!
See ya. Sorry. Was never in doubt.
Confirmed! Target has entered residential area! All lockdown is in effect! All units take...
Have eyes on the target!
You're mine now!
In the vicinity of Fountain Plaza. A security lockdown is now in effect. Residents are instructed to remain inside. Do not venture outside for any reason. An announcement will be made.
Do, mae Battlefield 2042 yn edrych yn nuts. Dwi'n gwybod am llawer o gameplay na, ond dwi'n reit psyched yma fyna.
You're welcome. Not bad.
Get the bastard!
Ond ia, dwi am fynd am dwi'n edrych ymlaen at sefyd am yn edrych. Dwi'n gwybod na just trailer fes yma'n cinematic trailer. The ffaith mae'n neud yn stwff fatha dreifio'r sain iawn da. Y ffaith mae nhw'n dreifio'r Ie, nes i rhaid chwarae hwnna, really. A da gyda i colli internet access, really. Internet shit fi. Ond yr codbike fewn i'r helicopter, very much my thing, da. Nes i'n joio hynna, da. A'r bit lle jumpio allan o'r aeroplane. A wedyn,
He's here!
so dwi'n, ie. Mae'n wedi confirmio does na ddim Battle Royale. Dwi'n meddwl,
No escape.
mae angen game fel hyn, da. Just i reid. Mae'r FPS genre bach yn stagnant o rhan yr mae bod ddim yn Battle Royale ar hyn o bryd yndi, so fydd yn neis gyfnod o hynna lly. Na, dwi'n edrych ymlaen da.
Enemy combatants, you have been warned! Surrender yourself to public security immediately! Not so fast! You have nowhere to run!
Heads up! You're done. That's that.
This is...
Going in.
Ie, mae yna dipyn o amser i bod ers i fi ie, dipyn ers i gêm really exciting fi fel la. So, na, dwi'n eich ymlaen at hwnna. Bydd hwnna'n day one purchase gyda fi yn bendant, de. Ia, dwi'n mynd i chwarae Battlefield iawn ys 3.
Into the lifeblood! I'm gonna enjoy this!
Yeah.
You're welcome. Heads up. You need a light. That's that. Burn.
Dwi'n hofio i blocio. O to. Jyst penfi'r ddau yna. Okay. Spell, fire, fel yna.
Need a light.
Spell arall yna.
Tile burn.
Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Staggered. Aye, mae'r cyda'r place cool da.
Sector 8, Unit 2. Target is surrounded. Moving to secure.
Wait! I know that.
Vamos!
Guess Cloud won't be joining us after all.
No need to assume the worst. I'm sure he's fine. You saw him in action, didn't you? Guy's a soldier. Goddamn one-man army.
You think he's a keeper?
worried for a minute. What the hell you been up to, huh?
Oh my god.
Giving public security the runaround. That's what. Had to draw them away from the station somehow.
Nicely done.
Hopefully cool ama. Spynnwch yn
Can't
onast.
argue with results, huh? What?
Wait. Got a question for you all.
What?
Ever been attacked by an invisible enemy?
What?
Wearing robes. Came and went like the wind.
Thought they were invisible.
They were, at first. Only saw them after she grabbed me.
A new Shinra weapon, maybe?
More like a panic-induced hallucination.
Got you there.
Never mind. Forget I said anything.
Suit yourself. Come on, let's move up.
A lot of people here.
And in the freight car, too.
Because of the evacuation order, maybe?
This
Lucky
train
us.
from
We've got a
Sector
crowd
8
to hide
station
in.
is bound
Head for the front of the
Sector
train and
7
hold there.
Due to an explosion at Mako Reactor 1, an emergency schedule is now in effect. Your understanding and cooperation is appreciated.
Yeah. Mae 'na gameplay reveal, mae 'na gameplay video ar gyfer y Battlefield newydd ar y 13th. So fydd yna it's cool there.
People riding in the freight car.
Stop that right now!
Never mind. Sorry to disturb you.
Hey, got a sec?
caught the perpetrators yet.
Nice.
Leave me alone, alright?
You're, holding up pretty well, huh? Even after what we saw at the station and all over Sector 8?
I'm a soldier.
Why don't you
Wow.
learn to take a hint,
My
buddy?
hands are still shaking.
You get used to it.
Something to look forward to. Or maybe not.
You see, my daughter now lives in Sector 8, so...
Little help, Cloud? Please?
Don't be stupid.
I can't stop thinking about it. The bomb I made shouldn't have produced an explosion that big. It doesn't make any sense.
The explosion triggered a reaction with the Mako. You said so yourself.
That was my
Good thing
first
there'll be
guess, but
electricity.
shouldn't the reactor have fail-safes to prevent that kind of thing? You mentioned invisible enemies back there, right?
Right.
No. I'm just looking for excuses for something that was clearly my own fault. Gotta own up to it if I'm gonna learn from this and move on. Thanks, Cloud. You're a good listener.
I listened the hell out of that.
What kind of maniacs would go so far as to bomb a reactor?
They've yet to announce it publicly, but I heard it was Avalanche's doing.
Really? Aren't they the terrorists who tried to kill the president?
Is there nothing they won't do?
Hey, quit talking out your ass.
Hey, I'm a man with a gun on my
Avalanche only
hand.
cares about saving the planet.
Just who do you think you are?
A law-abiding, concerned citizen.
Law-abiding? Really?
Don't antagonize him.
In my humble opinion, that explosion was a message. A message to the bastards bleeding our planet dry.
Yn nhw'n subtle o gwbl na.
Think they got it?
Fucking
Heard it loud
llaw yn
and clear?
fucking gun.
Y'all's masters?
We will not submit to intimidation or violence, but
Well
work
said.
together for peace and prosperity. That is how civilized people change the world.
That's right.
That is the Shinra Creed.
Them's fighting words.
It's what we believe. We all have to follow our conscience, don't we?
We should go.
Right.
That is the far Shinra.
Calm down. It's just a sword.
This train is slower than
Just a sword.
You hear that suit? Shinra Creed my ass.
Ooh. Shinra Creed my ass. It's gonna be applicable.
This is Sparta!
Close enough. Close enough.
We're the good guys, damn it. You hear that suit? Shinra Creed my ass.
Let's get this out of the way. Personally, I find visual aids make the dull stuff a lot more bearable. If it helps, think of it as an initiation rite.
How many times do I have to tell you people? I'm not...
There's such a thing as playing too hard to get. So, here we've got a wireframe model of the great city of Midgar, complete with massive steel plates suspended 300 meters above ground level, atop which stands a shining beacon of civilization. The whole system is sustained by the Mako reactors, which feed the insatiable appetites of the public.
The train will be passing through an ID checkpoint shortly.
This here is the train's route. As you can see, it'll take us around this main pillar. Look, we're about halfway through it now. They've set up a checkpoint here to scan the IDs of all passengers heading in and out. Date of birth, residential status, criminal history, all that and more is automatically cross-referenced in their databases. Public security wouldn't have it any other way. Heads up. Don't worry, our IDs are impeccable. What'd I tell ya? Have a little faith. Won't be long till we reach the bottom. Relax.
Take a good look. It's because of that great big pizza in the sky that people down there gotta struggle to survive. Shinra sucks up Mako while the soil turns to dust, the air fills with smog, and the flowers die.
Then leave and don't look back. That's what's always worked for me.
Well, that's all well and good. If you're only out for yourself. But the folks down there don't have the luxury of choice, you know?
Speaking tooth bombs, huh? Let's egg.
Like this train, I suppose. There's only one way it can go.
Det var weird, det. Nästan var weird, det. Det är inte så farligt. Ska jag Jesse det? Kallar henne säger hon. Still alive?
Oh, sweetheart. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Goodness.
Knew it couldn't be that bad. No way.
Look at someone geared up to the T.
Damn, we are good!
Yes! Bombs detonated 1, members lost 0.
And one step
You
closer
know, I'm
to a
Pope.
brighter future.
Hell yeah!
Guys! Lower your voices, huh?
Ah, det var.
People are listening.
Right!
Now get some R&R. You've earned it. Just be ready for the next mission, all right? See you soon.
See you soon,
At
player.
Seventh Heaven. You know, where Tifa works. Don't keep her waiting. She'll worry.
Ah, det är ju så med big fat body vinkiliad. Han är lite skit. Woo! Back on the train.
Are you sure you have...
How are people here taking?
You see them huge? Wow, am I hungry?
What are we even doing here? No one in their right mind
would go into a train graveyard at night.
People talk, rumors spread, and kids get curious.
I'm going on a ghost.
Of course. Office still there? How about it? Train services have been...
When I put him in charge of my stand, I told him, son...
Woo!
Sounds great. Well, by the looks of things, I'd say he took that lesson to heart.
I'd say it's impressive.
I'll be when I put him in charge.
So the Mako reactor's broken?
For now. But don't you worry.
Pizza with
We're gonna
jokes.
fix it. It'll be up and running.
I think he's over by the TVs. Hey, back of the line.
Woo!
I wish I could tell you, but sadly, I don't share your
What kind? Apparently Shinra thinks it's
The kind of person who goes
Tom Plady's only had it since...
Du mister. Jag vet inte vad det var.
on the other foot now. Let's see how they like fighting to survive.
It was like a giant
All the
candle.
debris piled up like mountains. You couldn't go nowhere.
Vad är det?
Huh. Mako is the lifeblood of the planet? Yeah, the hell it is. Goddamn eco-warriors with their dumbass posters. I tear them down and they're back up inside of an hour. Like I've got nothing better to do. I mean, look at all that steel work. You trying to tell me that's not progress? What the? You okay, buddy?
Cloud's got issues.
Mako junkie, huh? Figures.
Mako junkie.
You again.
That hot shower can't come soon enough. I can barely tell my skin from all the ash and sweat.
When I get back, it's refueling.
Warning. Gate broken. Fiends in area. Exercise caution. No reason to check it out. Not my problem.
You don't want to mess with the monsters in here.
Boys.
Go along now.
Hey.
Excuse me? Due to an emergency, entry into this area is prohibited. Sorry for the inconvenience.
You call that a warning?
No, sir!
You what, mate? You what, mate? You want a piece of me, mate?
In accordance with emergency regulations, entry into this area is prohibited. Please, leave at once. Still too nice.
What the? That's where I work. No freaking way.
Put that fire out, idiots!
I was there yesterday.
What do you know? That ain't half bad. I'll make a grease monkey out of you yet.
Tifa.
Arlene.
Daddy, you're home!
That's right, Angel. I
Welcome
am.
back.
Have you been a good girl?
Yeah, I've been helping Tifa.
Oh, you did you? Well, well.
You made it. Where'd you get that? I can't remember the last time I saw a real one. Huh? How sweet. When did you get so thoughtful?
Guy can change. Has been 5 years.
Huh?
I need to talk to Barrett.
Right. Come on in.
Pay me my money.
Daddy, the Mako place blew up. Everyone on TV's talking about it.
Don't you worry about all that silliness. Daddy's here and he's not going anywhere tonight. Now turn that thing off and let's get you to bed, huh?
Ooh.
Do you mind keeping Marlene company until I'm done with this?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, your money. Ask Tifa. She takes care of all that. Hey! The hell you think you're doing, scaring my daughter like that?
Daddy says never talk to strangers.
That's right, honey. I do say that. What a good girl you are remembering Daddy's lessons. You know what else good girls do? They go to bed on time. Come on.
But I'm not tired. I want to talk some more, Daddy.
All right. But just this once.
So then, what can I get you?
My money!
My money.
Oh.
I'm still waiting on it.
Right. About that. We should talk outside.
Daddy? Did the people who died all return to the planet?
Of course.
Before we get on to money, there's an empty apartment in a place just down the road. It's nothing fancy, but I was thinking you could stay there for now. The landlady's a big friend of the cause, so you wouldn't even have to pay rent. Sound good?
Sure does. Thanks.
Follow me then. How was it up on the plate?
It was chaotic.
Sorry for dragging you into all this. It was wrong of me to put you in danger like that. I promise I won't do it again.
Danger's part of the job. Don't worry about me.
I'll try not to.
Always happy to help stick it to Shinra.
Not good at all.
I don't know what it is, but my life feels so
So, you make nice with everyone?
Much as I could, all things considered. Maybe not enough for them.
Good. You had me worried. You're not exactly a people person.
I'll give you that.
I saw Sector 8 on the news. It was like a war zone.
The news is just another Shinra mouthpiece. They'll spread whatever lies Shinra tells them to.
The
So,
topsiders brought this on
it wasn't
themselves.
that bad?
It was.
Oh, right. And here we are. Good old Stargazer Heights. You're on the second floor.
Some stars, man.
Room 201 here is where I sleep. Don't have time for much else, what with Seventh Heaven and all. Not even time to decorate.
Yeah.
Here's your room, 202. Don't worry, I already told the landlady about you.
You did?
Yes? Oh, I mean, I told her I had a friend looking for a place to stay. Was that too much?
No. It's fine. And this?
That one's, know what? It's getting late. I'll introduce you tomorrow.
Besim det tabii. Besim det tabii.
It's a little bare, but should be enough to get you through the night. If you want anything else, we can always get it.
There is one thing. My money. You guys owe me 2,000, remember?
I do. And we'd love to settle up, especially since this was your first job for us, but...
That's it?
Sorry, we spent the rest preparing for the mission. That really is it. But not for long. I'm collecting money for filters tomorrow, so I can pay you after.
And you're sure about that?
Of course, as long as you help, that is. Wait, then I'd have to pay you for that too. Never mind.
No, 2,000's enough. That's what we agreed on, so that'll be the price. With what you gave me, that leaves 1,500.
You're the best. I'll see you bright and early at the bar then. Thanks again for everything. Sleep tight.
Stafell sgwhol. Ie, dau drws na. Wow, wel, dwi dod allan y gwely, eventually.
Guess it's time for introductions.
With my sword.
Hey, you okay in there? Oh. Coming in.
Cloi na, dwi'n cloi.
Cloud, stop! Get back inside! Get off me!
What are you doing to Marco? This is his apartment. He's got a few problems, but he's not a bad guy. The landlady asked me to check on him now and then to make sure he's okay. Can I ask you to do the same?
With my sword. Yes. Cysgu fel, fucking cysgu fel hwnna. Thing yna. Life in the slums. Mae'n edrych yn reit impressive fel ynddi. Bara teg. Sef fe yma ta? Ie, dwi'n... Yr unig gêm dwi'n gwybod sy'n neud y thing lle mae'n actually yn fatha wisgo'n iawn i gwely di Yakuza.
Well now, you must be Cloud. I'm Marl, your landlady. So how'd you like the place? You from up on high?
I've been around.
I'll bet. No matter. All kinds come through with all kinds of reasons. If you ever need an ear to bend, I'll lend you mine. Can be about anything, even Tifa.
What's she to you?
The granddaughter I never had. And if you hurt her, I'll take it out of your hide. You hear me?
Loud and clear.
Good. Now you'd best get a move on to 7th Heaven. She's got a head start on you and then some.
Voice acting bach yn... crap yndi? Be dwi am? Just i weld. Just i weld. O, dwi'n gwybod... Dwi'n gwybod hyn o'n.
Welsh is saying they're gonna step up their game.
Searching for candidates.
Ain't they short-handed?
Wel, ti'n hymryd ar side quest.
Trying extra hard to recruit more people.
Dydy mwan ta.
Don't
Wow,
say anything
Pans.
funny or you'll get it. Kids seem to think you're pretty cool.
Even our facilities are starting to look a little run down, don't you think?
Everybody does. We keep putting off maintenance.
Hold on. Don't tell me you're making that face because you think it looks
You can do it! Push it to the limit!
Someone looks like they're
Even our facilities are starting to look a little run down, don't you think?
Not alone, you won't.
Ah.
Yes! Ready? 1, 2, shoot! Gonna have to save up for the wedding.
Fan du kör in. Så. Item shop. Ooh, item shop.
There's this one dude in the watch who's like a G.
It's just me, or there are more strays around?
X ydy fatha, so dyna hwnna fyny. A stuff in world triangle, cymryd amser.
There's this one dude in the watch.
I still can't believe that nice young girl who lived next door ran off in the night.
Oh, probably with that punk boyfriend of hers.
Not gonna let you sleep a wink. Huh? You wanna think we could get a lot more people than usual?
You never know.
If the planet's a living being,
I heard it was Avalanche who bombed.
I heard. O, beth sy'n yr item shop. Guaranteed na ni artifa gym nôl ffordd band. Tys fyddai'n gwybod i.
They found out. There's no train.
Ah.
Best items at the best prices.
Wherever the hungry masses are, that's where I'll be. Some might have lost their faith in Mako energy, but I'll be damned if I...
Come on now, guy. Don't be scared. I won't bite.
They found out. If you think about it,
I've seen that poster. There's one just like it near my house.
Ie, yn Japan, tan PS5, Cilch oedd, oedd confirm. Rydw dwi'n impressed iawn efo fatha... slumness, as in.
If the planet's a living being, we should. I think we all.
You can't hide forever.
Who's gonna? Thinking I might have.
O, oedd y gathod o gwmpas i ddim bod yn thing hefyd.
Morning.
Hey.
Just so you know, Marlene's still asleep. Let's get
Fucking
down to
different,
business, shall
huh?
we? These water filters won't replace themselves. Although the next batch probably could, if Jessie put her mind to it. Most every home in the area has one. Folks love them because they practically eliminate the rotten egg smell. Honestly, they make us more money than this place, And it's easy money too. We bring new filters, collect the old ones, and get paid. What?
Give me a break. I'm not a salesman. I'm a soldier.
Which is why no one will refuse to pay. What do you say? Please?
Wrapped around her little finger.
Great. And while we're at it, I'll give you the grand tour. Go ahead and keep whatever we collect. Seeing as you didn't bring any luggage, I'm guessing there's stuff you need to buy.
Thanks.
And don't worry, we'll pay you the difference after. Barrett's out making his rounds too.
As long as I get it all today.
All the items you can want, straight from the place.
Hey there. Here to change out your water filter.
Tifa, baby, how you doing? Been waiting for you to... Wait, who's he?
Cloud's in charge of collections. He'll take your money.
Sounds like a pretty sweet gig. If you ever need someone to fill in, I'm your man.
In your dreams, maybe.
Huh?
Cloud! Since we're here, maybe we should do a little shopping.
Suppose I could take a look?
Na, trwy Tifa de. Tifa on way back yndi.
Thanks. If you're ever in the market for anything else, drop on by. Especially if Tifa's with you.
We'll see you around, okay? And let us know when your filter next needs changing.
Just gonna ask you about it. What kind of business are you running here?
All the items you could want, straight from the place.
He's a regular. Stock up here and he might throw in a freebie or two.
For you, maybe.
Well, you could try being a little nicer.
To get free shit? Not my style.
Our next stop is Stargazer Heights. Landlady's a client.
Just met her.
Then you know what to expect. Remember, she's a good friend of Avalanche, so be nice. Please.
Just imagine if rich people start thinking it's safer down here than on the plane.
My husband decided to go to the station and see if it had gotten...
Nothing to report. Maintaining surveillance.
Hey, Marl. Got some filters for ya.
Tifa, my dear, dear girl. Oh, what's he doing here?
Be nice. Cloud's helping me with collections.
You'd better take care of her.
I'm pretty good at taking care of myself, you know.
That I do. Still, better him than you. No charm, no wit. Big sword, but no skills.
I've got skills.
Be nice.
I'm doing my best.
You're looking awfully glum. Are you getting enough sleep? A good long rest will cure anything, I tell you.
A tried and true lesson for life on the ground floor. Am I right?
That you are. Now, your money.
Thanks, Marl. You take care of yourself.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Okay.
Marl's great. She helped get me set up back in the day.
You been here a while now?
5 years, give or take. But never mind that. We've got to get you your money. Last stop is the weapons store.
Hey, if it isn't Tifa.
You here for the filter?
Hey! That last filter didn't do shit!
We're so sorry about that. Hopefully this one will work better.
Save your excuses and get out!
All right. If you could just settle your bill, we'll be on our way.
The hell? You charging me for your busted-ass goods?
My associate handles payment disputes.
Think you can mosey up in here and have it your way?
Pretty please.
Thank you very much. Seeing as we're done with our rounds and you've got a small fortune now, why not take a gander at the weapons?
Well, when will Barrett be back with the rest?
Before we open up tonight. It'll be a while yet, so... what do you want to do?
Don't really know.
In that case, I've got a suggestion. Want to hear it? If you're serious about becoming a merc, then you're going to need to start making connections. It's not what you know, but who you know, you know?
Another lesson for life on the ground floor?
Yep. Connections get you jobs. Jobs build your rep. And more rep gets you better connections.
How do I start?
Why not help out the Neighborhood Watch? They're mostly volunteers, but you'll get to know people.
Yeah, okay.
Didn't see anybody at the office, so let's head up top.
Huh? I ain't got nothing for a punk-ass bitch like you! Get on out of here! Huh? I ain't got nothing for a punk-ass bitch like you! Get on out of here!
No better way to keep you and your family safe than with a weapon of your own. Come and check out our selection. Speak with our friendly staff to find the perfect weapon for you and your needs.
No.
We got it, Duke.
Huh. Didn't know you were holding down the fort.
Huh?
Oh, hey, Cloud. Looking to join the Neighborhood Watch?
That depends. What does this Neighborhood Watch do?
Lots of stuff, really. But our top priority is taking care of any beasts that wander into town. That, and then teaching the locals how to defend themselves.
Like they say, the only one who will look out for you is you.
Cloud's a great fighter, but only we know that. If no one knows him, no one will hire him. Thought if he joined the Watch, he could get his name out there.
That would work for everybody.
Truth be told, we could really use your help. We can't pay you in gil, but we'll work something out. For example... Aha! What about your sword? I could mod it for you.
No thanks. It's fine just the way it is.
What? You some kind of purist? I know I'd never pass up a chance to improve my gear. Come on. At least let me show you how it's done.
Begin tutorial. Okay.
set? Needless to say, you'll have to try it out to appreciate the difference.
Thanks.
We'll do you one better. Spread the word to everyone who'll listen about the new Merc in town.
Between him and Wedge, there isn't anyone they don't know.
I'll march through the streets singing your praises, even on an empty stomach.
Where are these monsters?
Scrap Boulevard. Good hunting.
Hey, Cloud, I'll come with.
No, I've got this.
But you don't know the way, do you?
Lead on.
Sure thing. I know these streets better than anyone.
Ale gdy czegoś takiego najpiękniej pójdzie, czeka. Okay. Easy light nu.
Scrap Boulevard is out west. Past the barricades, supposed to keep the monsters out. Anyway, we should prepare, just in case.
Huh? I ain't got nothing for a punk-ass bitch like you! Get on out of here! Huh? I ain't got nothing for a punk-ass bitch like you!
Okay.
Searching for candidates.
That sword's massive. If any harm comes to her...
Here's Scrap Boulevard.
I can see why monsters would feel right at home.
And the more we pile up, the more they show up.
Väldigt sweep, hon var det.
And there's our first challenger. Show me what you got, Cloud. Hang in there.
So long.
Tons of function.
Wow, so that's what a soldier looks like in action.
This was just a warm-up.
I'll bet.
Enough.
There!
Yeah, Final Fantasy 14 here, okay. Ooh, yeah.
You're good at this. Charging in like it was nothing.
You too. It's a little surprising.
Well, I've been here 5 years now. If you don't look out for yourself, no one else will. By the way, that one's gonna be on the test.
This a lesson?
Gotta learn if you're gonna stick around. Okay, let's wrap this up.
It's over.
All right, I think that might be the last of them.
They won't stay gone for long.
Of course not. Even so, folks will be grateful for the peace and quiet
Oh,
in the
no,
meantime.
no, no, no.
A win's a win.
Du var på en
you
duna.
know?
True.
Trust me, it'll do wonders for your rep.
Jag tror att de just
Let's
hörde
go
det
check
var
in
massive
with
deep.
Biggs and Wedge.
Det var DPS. Vet du. DPS check. Ah. Nice one about it.
Doesn't look like a merc.
Doesn't look like a merc. It's a serious mate.
What does he sell again? Is that who Wedge mentioned?
Searching for candidates.
Tally of monster slain has been updated. Got new numbers for monster slain this month. Check them out.
You hear someone got rid of Paul?
Back already?
Got every last one, too. Now the slums should be safe.
You guys are machines.
Oh
Good
yeah,
job.
spooks of it.
Meanwhile, we told everyone we could about you.
So I heard. I've got to ask, though. What did you tell them?
It's all right. All you gotta do is keep up the good work. It'll pay off soon enough, I promise.
How's the sword, by the way?
Good.
Good.
Glad to hear it. Seems like the perfect fit for you.
Yeah. We've been through a lot.
Oh, you okay?
Ooh, embarrassing.
Been meaning to ask. After you left the village...
It's a long story.
I've got time. Why don't you tell me all about it while we try to rustle up some more work for you?
That sounds great. I'll come too.
Oh, no you won't.
What?
Run along now, you two.
Sorry,
Go on.
maybe next time.
No fair.
Think about it for a second. They haven't seen each other in years. You'd be a third wheel.
Oh,
Before we
because
get back to
Rendell.
it, why don't you check out the weapons?
No need.
Come on, the dealer's probably heard all about you by now. Might treat you better.
I don't know about that.
You hear someone got rid of Paul?
Don't try anything funny or you'll get it. The kids seem to think you're pretty cool.
Hey, that's that person.
Hold up. Heard there's a merc that'll take on any monster. You the man?
Word spreads fast around here.
What if I am?
Sorry about before. I get antsy when business is slow. Man in your line of work needs weapons, no? Why not try that one on for size? Yours on the house. Badass like you rocking my weapons is good advertising. Think about it.
Fine.
Or if you want to take a look at something else.
Just a look.
What?
Don't be a stranger.
Since you've got yourself a new weapon, let's see if we can't put it to good use. Come on, let's go chat up Weimer.
Who?
The guy who tracks all the requests that come to the watch. You never know. Could toss some work your way.
Where's he at?
Oh, he should be back at the office by now.
Ti'n cael sword am ddim? O, do. /3. Okay. So, os dwi'n cael hwnna, /3. Slash 3 enemies in quick succession, dealing more damage with each blow. Strike 3 or more enemies. Okay. Check. That nice stuff. P. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Middle bounced.
Don't try anything funny. Tally of monster slain has been updated.
Searching
Got
for
new numbers
candidates.
for monster slain.
Hey there, Tifa. You need a helping hand?
Actually, I wanted to introduce you to an old friend of mine. This is Cloud. He's a merc.
Ah, you don't say. Well, we're always on the lookout for experienced fighters to help us deal with the bigger critters.
I'll take on anything. For the right price, that is.
Experienced and cocky, huh? If it's a challenge you want, I might have a few good ones. Your clients can fill you in on the details. Prove yourself at these jobs, and I'll see if I can't find you some more.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Candidate detected. Performing physical analysis. Sizable weapon, excellent cardiovascular health and impressive lung capacity, perfectly balanced muscle and bone structure. An optimal candidate. My name is Chadley. I'm an intern for Shinra's Research and Development Division. I hope you'll be interested in helping me with my research. Please accept this as a down payment. I would like you to set that assess materia in your equipment and use it to gather intelligence in battle. This data will help me to develop new types of materia.
I'm not interested in working for Shinra.
You should know that I work actively to undermine Shinra's efforts.
Oh, it's...
I'm sure you of all people can appreciate the tremendous power of materia, as well as how it might be wielded against your corporate enemies. And if you later decide that I am not worthy of your trust, you can do what you do best.
I will hold you to that.
Excellent! Then we shall work together so long as you deem fit. Once you've completed your task, please return and report to me. Please set the Orb of Assess Materia to your equipment and use it to gather battle intel.
Okay.
You're gonna have to talk to your clients if you want all the details.
I hear you, sus.
Tally of monster slain has been updated. Got new numbers for monster slain.
Så mae'n mynd o'r wsos ys fi chwarae Final Fantasy 14 siwr nôl iddo, dweud y gwir.
Hey! Oh, hey there! Is Marlene with you?
No.
Oh, okay. I was kinda hoping she could help me find my friends.
I know someone who can help you. This guy right here.
Really? Okay, let me tell you all about them. They have long arms and legs, and they're a little skinny. They like places where there's food, and nice people will give them treats when they ask. And small spaces. Oh yeah, and they're all cats.
I'm looking for cats.
They're friendly, so if you call them, they'll come running. All 3 of them. Find my friends, please.
What's the source of all life?
They love crowded places, like the road to the station. A lot of people stop to play with them there.
What's the source of
Wel, dyd yma.
It's just me, or there are more strays around.
3 cath. Shilas y catho, dwi wedi ffindio nhw.
There's this one dude in the water.
But didn't she send money?
Thinking I might join in.
Road to the train station.
Wait, did you hear that just now? I think one of Betty's cats might be nearby.
Hand to mouth?
Fair.
You can thank the trains for that.
I don't know. I like it here. It's nice.
You never know. The Sector 8 ladies might have to take refuge. If the planet's a living being.
I've seen that poster. There's one just like it.
If you think about it.
They found out who bombed the reactor.
Wherever the hungry man. Why did it?
Why are all... Mark my words, Avalanche. Sector 1 and 8.
Hey, wanna get pet down, shot? I know it.
First they
If you think about it.
I've seen that poster.
If the planet's a living being, I think we all know. My sister on the plane.
Yes, enjoy yourself.
Wait, did you hear that just now?
I might have dinner at 7th Heaven tonight.
Cats.
Time to strut your stuff!
Oh my god. Die Musik chop geworden.
Hey man, check it out. This song's pretty sweet, ain't it? You like it? You feeling it? Have a copy.
I swear, there's Jake all the time.
Shops on Culvert Street, stock goods you won't.
Hello, hello! Oh, what do we have here? I'm guessing you're that merc I've heard so much about. You're not here to shop, are you? People were right. You look like you can handle yourself. So some Drakes have made themselves at home in the abandoned Talagar factory. Can't have that kind of trouble around here. My regulars will do anything to get their hands on the scrap in there, and if they run into those Drakes, they could get hurt.
I'll handle it.
Much obliged, sir. Head on over to the old Talagar factory and talk to Narjan. He's the watchman guarding the entrance. Good luck. I'm counting on you, my friend.
Hey, this looked like a bloodstain. Shit. Seems a whole bunch of giant rats have been congregating. Non-stop squeaking's driving me insane.
Ja, dwi'n gwffio beth o fama mynd yn do. Dwi'n teimlo reit gryf, dwi'n really enjoyo'r game ma. That's not the issue. Ond... Dwi'n licio beth bach mewn linear, dwi'n meddwl.
Hey there, Tifa. Welcome back. And you, the new merc in town looking for work, right?
Yeah.
In that case, maybe you could do something about the Doom Rats? Them and their were-rat buddies have been tearing up town, looking for food and whatnot. Got into the store and made one hell of a mess, let me tell you. Oh, you think that's funny, do you? Don't lie. I saw you crack a smile. Well,
Whoa.
do the job and you can laugh it up for all I care. Anyway, they're probably nesting in the outskirts. Now I've heard a were-rat in pain will call its friends for help. And the whole rat pack will come running just like that.
Huh?
Figure the pack must be nesting somewhere just outside of town. Good hunting.
Zobaczymy. Przynajmniej...
All the items you could want. Straight
Dwi'n newid i fod yn y blanket lle am ydw.
I got your number. see any doom rats around.
What do you think? Should we wait? You know, this might be a waste of time. Let's head back to the store and touch base for now.
Det är nog lite fastare där tycker jag.
All the items you could want, straight from the place.
Well, rats too much to handle? I'm just messing with you. Heard you took out some were-rats, which is nice and all, but the job was to wipe out the doom rats. No biggie. Get back out there and finish the job, and we're good. Don't look so glum. It's only a matter of time till they show. You'll get them this time for sure.
All the items you could want, straight from the place. A friend of mine
Allow me. All good.
let's go.
There's no escape.
Not looking good.
Good luck.
Of all the times. Still in it. Gotta be careful. Here it comes. It's on you.
Let me handle this.
No need to come.
I'm waiting.
They're down. Ha! Bingo. Yeah.
Gotta be slow.
I got this. That'll do. Well.
There.
Don't overdo it.
I got this. It's on you.
My turn.
Ha! Bingo.
Here it comes.
Oh my god! What are you doing? Oh god.
Not looking good.
What?
What the hell?
Good to go?
Watch yourself.
Going in. I'll end this.
There.
That's it. Won't last long. Let's do this.
Bring it. Bring it.
Oh, fuck up.
Just hang on. I'm coming.
Give me this.
Not looking good.
missed it.
I've got to do something. Shake it off, okay? Not throwing in the towel. Mind taking over?
All right.
Any last words? Sloppy.
There!
Let's finish this.
Bring it! Speed them!
Don't know what happened.
We might have to close up shop.
Finally managed to get those doom rats, huh? Thanks, guys. You're the greatest. It was so dead in here, I thought I might have to close up shop for good. Hey, got an idea. Hear me out. If the guy who took care of the town's rat problem told everybody where he liked to shop, well, what do you say? I'll make it worth your while, of course. Give you some incentive. Talk you up to Weimer and my customers, and anybody else who listen. You'll be swimming in work before you know it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay then, that's what I like to hear. Seventh Heaven, the new merc in town and my little store. I can see it now. We're gonna clean up.
That went well. Could be you found your calling.
Was alright, I guess.
Think of each job as an opportunity. Not to make money, but to build connections.
It's not what you know, but who.
You remembered.
Got a patient teacher.
Maybe not so patient next time.
Oh boy.
Oh, Barrett should have finished collecting his share of the money by now. So what do you want to do? Head back to the bar?
No.
Thanks to the awesome.
Can't help
No.
but take a look.
Hey, what are you doing in there? Come on out.
Yeah, but then there's a boy in there. Nah, dim byd. Ooh. Yeah. See it. Dat is ook heel erg weird, hoor, man.
The Watch is saying they're gonna step up their game.
Hey, Cloud!
That should be
You were the first to gather the data I requested. Here is the rest of your payment. I have developed new materia. Would you like to see it?
Ah, go. It's so cute. Okay.
I plan to develop more materia in the future. Together, we can harness enough power to take down Shinra. I'll keep preparing more battle intel reports, which I hope you will assist me in completing. I hope you will continue to help me gather vital information for my research. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle
Technical research. Ah, okay. Its enemies vulnerable. Usually creates. But yes, we had that big day. Done.
A certain shopkeeper told me you paid him a visit. Thanks for helping him out. Just so happens there's another job I'd like to offer you. Now that I know you can handle yourself in a fight. We've got a real killer on the loose, you see. A rabid catch dog. Maybe you've heard people talking about it. Shinra mutt gone feral. Last sighting was in Scrap Boulevard. Think you're up to it?
I'll handle it.
You're a lifesaver. Doubt anyone else around here stands a chance. Go get him, bud.
Go get him, bud.
Is there anyone who can trace off that foot? Where do you think the damn thing came from anyway?
Don't screw this up.
Where is this, Matt? Dwi'n licio'r gêm yma. Bach yn slo ar hyn o bryd. Atgoffa fi o
Keep your cool.
No need to worry. Bring it!
Best do it right.
weakness ice. That's gonna be him. Even if it's clunky.
Try this. It's on now.
All set.
Watch yourself.
Taking over. It's on you.
Let me handle this.
Okay.
Good luck.
My turn.
What?
Damn it.
blocio ydy'r peth dwi'n stryglo o'r gêm yma. Dwi'n hoffi neud o, gysgo.
Hey, over here! Keeper! Hey, Cloud!
I drove the hound into the area up ahead. He's pissed, so make sure you're ready.
Can't afford to lose focus.
Don't overdo it. I got it. Deal with that.
I got this. Watch yourself.
Taking over. Here it comes. Don't overdo it.
Let me handle this. Let's do this right. Gotta be smart.
Hang back.
I won't.
Right. I'm waiting. Steady.
I think I'm dead.
I got this. No need to panic.
I got this. Brace yourself. Take the lead.
Let me handle this. You're up.
Hang back.
Shit.
Won't last long.
Bring it. I'm not going out like this.
You're mine. Here we go.
Bingo.
Finish it.
We'll get through this. Let's do this right.
I've got this.
Bring it. There.
Ie, blocio ydi o. Ond ti'n canolbwyntio gymaint o stwff eraill. Ti'n meddwl amdano fo. Wel, dwi ddim yn efo. Dwi'n mynd impressed iawn o fatha gadael y AI yn neud y stwff tiffa chwaith. O gen i TV bach pawn ac oedd ddim yn neud yn byd.
We owe you one.
Gotta say, I've never seen a Shinra breed like that before. Out of curiosity, when exactly did it show up?
Oh, today. The first reports came in just this morning. Why do you ask? Wait a minute. There's this crazy story about a Shinra research lab.
Oh my god.
hidden right beneath our feet, under the slums.
Huh. Really? That's news to me.
And here I thought you might know something I don't. Well, I guess not.
It's a big organization. I'm sure there's lots of secrets I don't know.
Yeah, dwi'n gwybod mwy dim byd,
fair
Dwi'n mwyn sir edrych chwarae.
You got the bastard. That's good enough for me.
Dwi'n mwyn sy'n rhaid i chwarae Final Fantasy
Still can't believe how badly that mutt hurt our guys. We're getting soft.
15.
Might need a new training regimen.
Mae'n rhaid debyg i 15. Which nes i joio. Yna lot o pobl ddim yn joio hwnna. Nes i really joio efo. Okay, stack o. Battle settings, Tifa. Ti'n byd allai rili neud efo hwnna. Ia, tŵ di hyn, ia. Sgynna fi ddim shit o rhywbeth. Okay, so fire, assess, healing.
Thank you. That hound had us scared half to death.
Die yn y bryd.
You're my kind of public security. I've been told the sewage smells coming.
Dwi'n gath ar ôl hon this.
They'll also go wherever there's free food. Marlene says she always gives them some snacks when they go to 7th Heaven.
Dwi'n cael hwnna'n barod.
Best of luck to you, kid.
It might be a good idea to stock up on food.
Personal space, man. Think we could get some money?
You never know. If the planet's a living being,
Factory's off limits. Drakes have been spotted inside. Huh? Wait a minute. Tifa? Don't tell me you're here to take care of those things. Are you? In that case, be my guest. We believe there's at least 2 groups lurking somewhere inside the factory. Find and cull them all.
Oh, fydd hein efo poison, guaranteed. Os oes ni'n Drake. Be dwi'n neud o? Drake. Weakness. Ice. Okay, ice. Weak to ice. Beth o'n dweud?
Let's end this quick. Allow me.
Primitive.
Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach.
They're nothing.
Spell blizzard.
Calling ice.
Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach.
Sure thing, Coach. Vai, retira. Kör hon.
You asked for it. Still here.
Oh, win.
Gotcha. That's it. It's over. Chill. That it? Don't hold back.
Still here. Not bad.
Gotcha.
Bring it.
Was never in doubt.
Turn to scrapty there. Yeah.
Got rid of those drakes in the factory, did ya? What a relief. I can't wait to give my regulars the good news. You're the real deal, all right.
Real
Keep it up,
deal.
and I can see you going far as a merc in this town. I've worked with my fair share over the years, so believe me when I say that I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, you're needed over at the Pillar. Apparently another flying bastard stirring up
Bastard!
trouble.
Best
Bet you
flying
can't get enough
things.
of this, huh?
Well,
no, I get it. If you're good at something, might as well make it your living. May not know you, but I know a man who's found his calling when I see one. Keep at it. I switch out my stock every so often, so drop by when you're in the neighborhood, huh?
I'll bet a lot of people are talking about you right now. There's this amazing merc who can handle anything.
nothing I've done around here has been all that special, though.
Oh, so you want more of a challenge, huh?
Just came a fucking compliment,
I'm always
pal.
getting in new stuff to keep up with the latest trends. You won't be disappointed. Always a pleasure. Oh, you look into that other gig yet? If you're planning to, might want to buy some extra supplies first.
Fucking Paul, vem här. Är det fucking Ar y hysl. O, ma dda.
I'm trying to get a cat to come out. It snatched one of my pastries and scurried in there. Will you be a dear and lend me a hand?
Scarred the mint. You lost the piece. Lost it.
This sucks. Screw this.
Look, a return to feature. No, it's that. It's a Final Fantasy 14 gallu neud a return to feature. Wel mae yn hapus yn yr sequel i 7 di. Dyna peth da, Revenant's Children.
What? They ran away? So, I'm never gonna see them again?
No.
Guys! You came back!
You
They said that
guys.
scary man was chasing them. Thank you!
Yes, where's my money?
I knew you'd be able to find them all.
Where's my money? Someone did the thing around them.
Guy who lives over there.
Okay.
Tally of monster slain has been updated.
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it. I've developed a new materia.
Accessible. Ci pone ma da. One. Oh, which one?
I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
Etienne. Etienne.
Why, if it
You
isn't
make
the
good
worst
money
day
as
of
a
the
merc.
Can enjoy your hon with that.
Take a picture, why don't you?
Mae o'n
You think you're
y bit yma'r gem yn atgoffa fi lot o fatha Yakuza. Lot o rhedeg o gwmpas neu side missions.
I think
Quite
we
licio.
all know that. If the planet's a living being,
A mynd nôl i Final Fantasy 14 dda.
I'm sorry, but it's outside.
Tifa, you won't believe this. A cerulean drake flew in from the train graveyard.
Ie, return
but
to mynd
these
ffili
two
ag
clowns
pan y
refused
gil.
to get off their
Ie,
butts and
clywed
do
ti'n gallu
anything about
dewis
it. Hey, is that? It is you, the new Merc.
Ti'n gallu dewis
Then maybe you can
un
help us
eithriau. So fatha un
The
lle
drake
ti'n
is in the old
mynd
telegraph
i.
factory over there.
Ti'n gallu dewis
But to
free
reach it, you'll need to
destination,
get a
cofia.
hold of a watch
A
security
free a home
You
destination
should
daim
be
o
able to
beth.
find one inside one of the crates.
Clicio
I forget
un o
which.
eithriau
Just
sy'n
smash 'em
licio
all.
and call it a dewis free destination. Mae hwnna handi bod ti eisiau nôl i'r sands lot. Siwm gwrando hwnna dweud,
So long as you can track down one of our security keys, access shouldn't be a problem.
Gwrando nôl i fewn yma.
The watch supposedly hired a professional mercenary.
Let me
It
in.
ain't the Merc himself.
Ie, fi hefyd. Mae hwnna really handi bod ti'n mynd i wahanol... Bod ti'n mynd i wahanol... Beth ti'n gael efo? Expansions.
They're nothing.
compared to us at least.
Ah, thing yma. Trwna.
That's that. Bundle up. Freeze.
Would kill for a shower.
Ja, Greenwood, die in...
They're nothing.
Compared to us at
Ah, maar thing hem.
You're good at this.
Told you so.
Ooh, weapon upgrades. Materia, cloud. Maybe different punish stuff.
Locked up tight. Bring it. It's over.
Bring it!
Just like that, okay?
I got it. That the key?
Yeah.
Deal.
They're nothing.
Compared to us at least.
Not bad. Here I go.
Right behind you. That's it. Hang in there.
Let's do this.
Bingo!
Let's do this. It's over.
That's the way to do it.
Du kan return och den mission där. Du är en fan av hon här, jag vet. Nej, bara så.
And there he is! I knew you were the right man for the job. There's no denying you're the real deal.
Real deal.
Not like these idiots with their excuses. Rather have one of you than 20 of them.
They're just doing their jobs. Can't expect them to be at your beck and call.
What exactly is it you're trying to say, Merc?
You need people who can follow orders, too.
I see now. Heard you were ex-Shinra. Guess I shouldn't be surprised you'd go to bat for your old buddies. Me, I'm just looking out for my people. All there is to it. Hell with you. We can take care of this town ourselves. No more Mercs or Shinra. We'll build up the watch and kick you all out.
Not that though.
Okay then. That's another solid gig in the books. You know, the whole town is really impressed with what you've done. Keep it up, and you'll have enough work to keep you fed for a lifetime.
All thanks to you.
And don't you forget it.
So where do we get paid? The shop or something?
Yeah, but why don't we head back to the apartments first? Take a quick breather.
Which lesson was that again?
Lesson 1. Got it? Anyway, let's go.
Let's go. Matera. I like Matera. Sure. What's a cure? Som man för du.
You're a real one.
You never know.
Maybe we never should. I was supposed to be working topside.
They were saying
Something's wrong. Let's check it out.
Stay away from me! Hold it! Settle down now. Get off me, assholes! I didn't do shit! Shut up, punk! Or what, huh? Screw you! Ow,
What's
come
going on?
Man. Why you gotta do
Somebody
me like
went and
that?
stole some
Just
blasting
messing
from a
with you.
Shinra warehouse. So public security started asking questions, and you know how Johnny gets.
It's because of the reactor bombing, I bet. I could be wrong, but something tells me they're not gonna settle for just roughing him up this time.
We've got to save him, Cloud.
Is he Avalanche?
No. He doesn't really know what we do. But he has his suspicions. And he's a talker. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should go alone.
I'm coming.
Are you sure?
It's the least I can do. Lead on.
Thanks. Come on.
Might as well forget about it. This isn't gonna come back on the rest of us, is it?
What the hell, man? You trying to break my arm? Dragging me through the street like this is... Ow!
Stitches get stitches. Dwi'n fawr teeth bar until isio sortio boi yma allan.
Come on. Let's get a closer look.
Any way to treat a model citizen of Midgar?
Model citizens don't steal blasting, Agent. So why don't you tell me why your ID popped when we were going over the warehouse laws?
Huh? You got it all wrong. I never thought anywhere near
I swear, all he had to do was keep his mouth shut.
Yep.
Anyway, you distract the officers and I'll figure something out.
You gotta sit down back into. Sit down.
Let him go.
Who are you? The cavalry?
Huh? Is that who I think it is? Oh, hell yeah! You guys really came to save me! Ow! Oh,
Hey! What the hell you think you're doing?
Here we go.
Let's do it right.
Ah, fire.
Try this. Going in. See ya.
So, is it over?
Well, what now?
He's a talker.
Huh? Whoa! Whoa!
No!
Huh? You're not gonna... Hold up! Wait! Don't do it, man!
You want to live? Then get the hell out of town.
You got it, boss! You ain't never gonna see my face again! I swear!
Are you sure about this? It's a big risk.
I know, but...
Hei, mae'n gynnych iawn. Hai, joio fo. Dwi'n mynd i llawer o siarad yn o. Dwi'n meddwl, just kegs di bod yn gwatcha fi chwarae fydd y gwir. Ti'n meddwl chwarae mewn mor fo. Hai, dwi'n joio. Hei, stan. Bach yn sloch yn y bryd.
You're scaring me.
Dwi'n joio fo, de.
We need to go before they wake up.
Hei, cyp, ys i lladd efo sword fi. Byddai'n gorffan yn rhyw 5 munud o'n. Bydd y gair sef nesa. Oh, yeah.
I'm worried about Johnny.
I'm more worried about us. We gotta go, right?
Right.
What?
It's just... You've really changed.
How?
How?
I suppose it's... Yeah. Your eyes. They used to be less...
It's the Mako. Soldier, remember?
I remember. Actually, before we head to 7th Heaven, maybe we should swing by Stargazer Heights for a bit. Take a moment to rest and recover.
Plan. Ond ie, dwi'n... Dwi'n fatha... bog standard... Swn i'n disgrifio fatha... Final Fantasy arferol, lle. In quotation marks, lle.
I've chatted with that
Ah,
guy a few times. Take your time now, okay?
Da, mae o'n... Mae o'n action-y. Joio fo. Fatha stripped down version of Final Fantasy 15.
Huh? Someone's back awful early. Not that I mind. Would you two be dears and swap your filters out for me? I left them in your rooms.
Sure thing.
Not so fast, you.
Huh?
Do me a favor. She needs a friend. A real friend.
We're already friends.
So when she talks, are you really listening? Thinking about her and her feelings?
Ooh.
Or are you just going through the motions? Go on.
Hi'n dallt yndi. Mae hi'n dallt i.
Let's take care of this real quick, okay?
Sure.
Come over when you're done.
Wait. Check on Mikhail. Go to sleep. Jerry Mikhail yn llai gweiddi. Ar hyn o bryd de, llai o weiddi ar hyn o bryd. Siwr di gael big ass sword fi. Iawn. Mynd i siarad efo... Ww. Chdi mirror. Siomedig. Chicka wow wow.
Give me 1 sec. I'll be done in a bit. Finally. So, after you left the village, I let you off the hook before, back at the hall, but not this time.
Well, when we were kids, everybody wanted to be a soldier, right?
Yeah, I remember they were on the news every day during the war.
Thing is, by the time I finally made it in, they didn't need heroes anymore. It was nothing like what we dreamt of. It was just working for Shinra. Just...
I'm sorry. I know it's a touchy subject.
Not exactly small talk. Especially with someone you haven't seen in a while.
I get it. Still, it's kind of funny. Us going our separate ways, thinking that must be it. That we'd never meet again. And then here, of all places, we do. You know what? We should totally celebrate. Let's dress up and hit the town.
Really?
I mean, why not? It'll be fun.
Do you even have fancy clothes?
Not like fancy, but I'll figure something out. What do you think would suit me, huh?
What? Ni Google hwn. Hwn yn ormod o big choice.
Something refined.
Yeah, I guess we're not kids anymore. Be sure to pick an outfit that goes with mine, okay?
Will do.
This is gonna be so much fun. You'll see.
Yeah. Maybe.
And on that happy note, I think it's time we head back to the bar. Come on.
You don't need a break?
Honestly, I'm feeling pretty good. Marl isn't always right, you know.
Vi körde en bra där.
Hey Marl, we took care of the filters, so we're gonna head back to the bar now.
Take care, you two. Oh, you're looking pretty chipper.
Sen bydde Mr. Honnegus.
I don't feel that different.
Must be my imagination, then. Anyway, keep your wits about you, Merc. A token of my appreciation. Be good to her. You'll get no second chances from me.
Okay. Ooh, okay. It is now taken when equipped by non-active characters. Va? I am Bangle. Dodge. Auto cure. And lightning and ice. Dodge auto cure. Just. Wel, dwi'n mynd i adael i fanna am wan. Diolch yn dy helo yn diwedd, yn ti diwedd yma gyda diolch Craig am gadael i on yn y cymryd at y chwarae Final Fantasy 14. Dwi'n gwybod streams yma lot llai beth na. Dwi jyst eisiau chwarae gem yma. Dwi'n mynd i jyst... Ddau lot o siarad o. Anyway. Wel, un o'ch chi'n gwaith fory, a wel, un o'ch chi'n disgod fory. Iawn ta. See yous when I sees yous. Ai. Rei chill fydd o Final Fantasy 7's ma. Cos wedi chwarae fo. Dwi'n... yeah. You know how it is. Hwyl. O'ch chi'n set.